Alright, Jose, so here's the video. Sorry it's taking so long to get it back to you. Just been busy with life, but here we go. So I have it looped up to where it should run back. This is how I tested it here. This is a working computer. I wanted to show this. I just pulled the SATA power off of the other hard drives. This is just the old home PC here. I pulled this SATA off of the other drives. Let's turn the monitor on. Just to show you, it is a working computer. Okay, so we're gonna fill this up. Floating lines. Hold on, bud.
Coming back now, but I saw the iPad on the shoulder, but now I need a plug for it.
Plugged in.
Huh?
Nothing doing.
Huh?
And again, this is running the SSD that's running the OS. Not doing anything. Let me know, Jose. I'll send this over to you.